Welcome to FLOWYLINE Design. Today, we're showing you the best ways to clean and maintain our metal furniture legs. First up, our powder-coated metal table legs. They're durable, but a little care keeps them looking their best. Start with a soft cloth and a dish soap solution. Gently wipe the surface to remove dust and grime. Rinse with clean water and dry thoroughly to prevent any water spots. Next, let's tackle PVD-coated stainless steel. It's sleek and modern, but it's important to clean it properly to avoid streaks and spots. Mix equal parts vinegar and warm water in a bowl. Dampen a microfiber cloth with the solution and gently wipe the surface. Wipe in the direction of the grain to ensure an even finish and avoid streaks. Avoid using steel wool, bleach, or ammonia as they can damage the surface. Finish by buffing with a dry microfiber cloth for a brilliant shine. And that's it. Keeping metal table legs clean is easy with just a few simple steps. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel and visit our website at FLOWYLINE.com.